Hi Kickstarters, I'm Emily, and this is Jake, and we're the founders of Cold Harbor Tiles, a luxury eco-tile brand made from 100% recycled plastic. We both live in Kigali, Rwanda's beautiful capital city, and hate nothing more than single-use plastic. 300 million tons of plastic is produced every year, polluting our beaches and oceans, harming wildlife and ecosystems, and eventually breaking down into microplastics that have now entered our food chain. 91% of all plastic is never recycled, and this is something we wanted to change. By choosing Cold Harbor Tiles, you can now upgrade your living space, all while making a direct impact on the environment. We collect, wash, and shred recycled plastic and transform it into beautiful, high-quality wall and decorative tiles that can be enjoyed for generations. We currently offer 3 styles in a variety of colors. Each hexagon, rectangle, and small mosaic square is handmade and responsible for removing a significant amount of plastic waste. This gorgeous herringbone kitchen backsplash was created using Cold Harbor tiles in blue and white rectangle design and removed over 35 pounds of plastic pollution. That's the weight of my 4-year-old Archie.
Let's take climate change seriously.
Our tiles are non-toxic, water-resistant, odorless, and stand up to the strongest of cleaning products, making them the perfect decorative touch to stylize your kitchen or bathroom. Each order will come with an easy-to-follow tile guide filled with installation information, design ideas, and DIY tips and tricks. Over the past year, we've been working with a team of engineering students in Kigali to build the necessary machines that would allow us to test our concept. There was a lot of trial and error, but we persisted and finally landed on a system that worked. We have big plans to expand our business, cleaning up more and more plastic waste from around the world, all while making your homes even more stylish.
We're going to use these funds to upgrade our production facility, allowing us to recycle over 2 tons of plastic per day. That means after 1 year, we'll have recycled the equivalent weight of 100 African elephants.
We want to transform this small operation into a large-scale production site. But in order to do this, we need your help, Kickstarters. By supporting our project, you can help upgrade our machinery to increase production capacity, install renewable energy sources like solar to power our warehouse so we can keep it green, and move closer to you in Europe and the US so we can cut down on the environmental impact of long-distance shipping. You can be at the forefront of eco-tile design by becoming some of our first Cold Harbor customers. We have some incredible rewards waiting for you, so pledge today and become part of the Cold Harbor family.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
We are incredibly excited to announce the Nebbia Spa Shower 2.0.
We think it's the best, the most thoughtful and precise shower experience in the world.
Nebbia's technology atomizes water into millions of tiny droplets. The shower experience is enveloping, relaxing, and extremely efficient at rinsing. This sensation marries the best parts of a steam shower and a traditional shower. In addition,
Nebbia saves 65% of the water used by standard showers.
We've listened to feedback from all of you, and we've improved the experience in every way. More heat. Nebbia 2.0 is 29% warmer than Nebbia 1.0. Better body coverage. Nebbia has twice the coverage compared to regular showers. Higher velocity. Nebbia's droplets come in contact with your skin 3 times faster than conventional showers. We didn't stop there. Nebbia 2.0 works in homes with below average water pressure. The Nebbia Spa Shower 2.0 comes in 2 new finishes, matte silver and matte black. Both brand new finishes are made with the highest quality powder coating processes.
In Gen 1, we used what we call hollow cone nozzles. The spray is only around the perimeter of that cone. In Gen 2, we found that it's actually a better experience if we fill the entire base of that cone with spray.
it turns out that people are a little bit unreliable in telling you which shower is warmer or colder. So Manny is a mannequin that we outfitted with 32 temperature sensors to basically get an accurate and objective quantitative reading of how warm or cold a shower prototype is.
What we're trying to do is challenge people's notion that you need more water to have a better shower.
And the way we've done that is just by iterating and iterating and iterating.
In recent years, dramatic water shortages have continued to threaten access to clean water around the world. At Nebbia, we want to help build the water infrastructure of the future, and we need everyone to contribute to the movement.
We've delivered 16,000 Nebbia spa showers. We've been awarded 5 patents and 9 international design awards. But most importantly, our community has saved over 100 million gallons of water, and that is just the beginning.
Our backers loved these features, and we've only made them better. Nebbia 2.0 is incredibly easy to install, you don't need to call a plumber, and it only takes about 10 minutes. It effortlessly slides up and down without buttons and comes with a magnetic wand that also works as a side spray.
We've also designed our first accessory, the Nebbia Shelf. The Nebbia Shelf is made from 3mm aluminum and takes less than a minute to install, without screws. Sometimes it's the simple things that make a great shower. Nebbia saves so much water that we've put a calculator on our website showing exactly how much money you'll save. For Nebbia 2.0, we've partnered with one of the best companies in the world when it comes to water delivery, Moen. They are a true testament to high-quality American engineering, and they've been building shower heads for over 75 years.
We're so excited to partner with Nebbia to help scale their technology with ours for the benefit of all.
Say hello to O-Garden Smart, the future of indoor gardening. O-Garden Smart is an indoor gardening system that allows you to grow fresh produce at home. Unlike most indoor gardening systems, O-Garden Smart can grow up to 90 fruits and vegetables simultaneously, significantly supplementing your grocery shopping in a way that no other indoor gardening system has done before. And since it's indoors, you never have to worry about the weather affecting what you grow or when you grow it. Get perfect fruits and veggies all year round. O-Garden Smart is easy to use. Simply place your seeds and growing cups in the nursery cabinet below. When the seeds sprout, transfer them to the wheel. There, they'll grow large enough to harvest. The rotating wheel keeps your roots moist and can host up to 60 plants, while the nursery cabinet below can hold up to 30 plants, giving you a constant rotation of 30 crops at all times. The automatic low energy consumption LEDs simulate the perfect amount of sunshine, and the automatic watering gives your produce exactly the amount it needs for optimal growth. Growing your produce at home means no pesticides, no herbicides, and no waste. Just incredibly fresh food for you and your family that you can harvest right when you need it. O-Garden is clean, bright, beautiful, and the perfect addition to any area of your home. From dinner with your friends to quality time with your family, O-Garden is there to provide fresh, delicious produce to you and the ones you love. Through growing our own food, we can educate future generations on sustainable practices and create a real impact in the world. The future of produce is independence and sustainability. We believe O-Garden will bring us there. Join us. Back our campaign today and take the next step towards a more sustainable, healthier future.
You could spend over 500 hours pumping in the first year of your baby's life. Wouldn't it be nice if your pumping technology were as efficient as you are? Introducing Lilu. To pump enough milk, 2/3 of moms perform breast massage while pumping. In fact, research from Stanford Children's Hospital shows that breast massage not only increases milk output each time you pump, it also helps you maintain your milk supply in the long run. But massage makes pumping even more exhausting and more time-consuming. The Lilu Massage Bra is the first hands-free pumping bra with automated massage to help you pump more milk in less time. While you pump, custom-engineered massage cushions inside the bra mimic the motions recommended by lactation experts to stimulate your milk glands and make your pumping sessions more productive. Lilu moms see an average of 30% more milk every time they pump. It's adjustable, comfortable, and works with most standard breast pumps. Wear it alone or clip it onto your nursing bra so you don't have to fully undress while pumping.
Bra was amazing. I sadly had an undersupply. The bra was able to do the hand massage for me and ensure I was able to get as much milk expression as possible.
I would have to multitask while I was pumping, and so having to massage was a necessity, and getting the Lilu bra really helped with that.
Sometimes you really don't have time to just sit for 30-45 minutes pumping and do nothing but pumping. You always need to be multitasking as a mom, just like I'm doing now.
One word to describe the Lilu is game-changing. Well, I guess that's 2 words.
Productive.
I'm torn between practical and convenient. I think I would go convenient. I think the Lilu bra is convenient.
With the Lilu Massage Bra, you get all the benefits of breast massage hands-free, giving you more freedom to do whatever you want. So answer those emails, take a selfie, or start a revolution. Meet Adriana and Sujay, the co-founders of Lilu, who are building technology to empower new moms. At Lilu, we know that motherhood can be really challenging, especially when it comes to pumping, which is why Adriana, Sujay, and the Lilu team collaborated with a community of hundreds of moms and an advisory group of lactation experts to develop the Lilu Massage Bra. Lilu technology is designed for real users and backed by science so that pumping is comfortable and compatible with all of life's successes, because moms deserve more. If you're pumping or know someone who is, you can order your Lilu Massage Bra at our website. With your support, you can help us empower more moms to get mo milk.